Welcome to super special secret number 4. This is really exciting stuff because this is a super important. It's not that secretive, but it's definitely very important to remember. And that is making sure that you are passionate about what you're launching, or you have a vested interest in the product, or even do you use the product yourself. That'll make the process 10 times more fun and make you twice as likely to succeed because you are having fun doing the process. It also gives you an insight into your product. If you are the sort of person who uses your product, you definitely know what slight adjustments you want to make to a product, how to make it better, what sort of customers you have, seeing how you're talking to people who are similar to you when you're running the customer service. It's a really big plus to be in a niche that you are passionate about. So on my screen, you can see right here, pulled up my notes, 2 questions. What are your interests or hobbies? This is the best way to boil down exactly what you like to do and what products you could launch under those categories. And the second one is, if you made no money, what product would you launch? This just goes to show it's about more than the money. And if you have a bigger why or a bigger motivation to launch a product, then you're going to be doing a lot better than if it's just trying to make a quick dollar. So again, a flexible rule. You can throw all this out the window and go into a very profitable niche and use that money to do something you're passionate about elsewhere. But my general rule is I like to go into niches that I like the product and I understand as a consumer. So what you want to do is you want to, number 1, answer this question on your own. Get a pen and paper, pull up a note on your own computer, pull up your phone. What are your interests or hobbies? I've got sport and fitness, photography, travel, men's bracelets and watches I love, and also cats. I would be very interested in launching a product into any of those interests or hobbies. And what you can then do is you can search the sport and fitness category, you can search photography category, travel category, obviously men's jewelry category, and the cats category. Very easy to navigate there on Amazon, and you can confine your Jungle Scout searches to things with those keywords in them, or just those categories on Jungle Scout too. And that's how you filter through your interest or hobby. The second one is, if you made no money, what product would you launch? I bought this charity bracelet on Amazon. I'll pull it out right now. Water bead bracelet. I'm actually wearing it right now, but I don't have a camera, so I can't show you. It's a bracelet that was about $25. I bought it about 2 years ago now, and it's still working really well. And it's got little black balls around a string, and one of the balls is like a cat's eye, but it's a bright blue. And what happens to every single sale that they make, they donate $5 to charity in Africa to try and get water to people in need. And I thought that was the coolest product I've ever seen on Amazon. I like men's bracelets, I bought it, and that is like the best thing that I've seen. So that is what I would launch if I was not allowed to make any money. But basically, if you answer this question on your own, you're going to come to some really cool ideas and really cool conclusions that you wouldn't really have gotten or really thought about when you're just thinking about demand and competition. So personalize it a little bit, keep this lecture nice and quick, and I'll see you in the next one.